भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्तजम्बूफलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वरपादपङ्कजम् सरस्वती महाभागे विद्ये कमललोचने विद्यारूपे विशालाक्षि विद्यां देहि नमोऽस्तुते। इतः पर्यन्तं वयं किं के अधीतवन्तः? Can anybody? Okay, I won't show the slide. First, Jashtva, कृपया सर्वे म्यूट भवतु. Jashtva Sandhi, anybody will tell the condition?
Jashtva अनुनासिका विहाय वर्गीय व्यंजनम प्लस स्वर और मृदु व्यंजनानि आदेश जस्ट वर्ग तृतीय.
उत्तम महोदय. Example, one example you can give.
Example, you can say Shat plus Anand, Shadanand. Here changes to the because both being Murdanya.
Samyak, samyak. Anybody else for Shutva? Shutva. Anybody else?
Akshitam.
One person.
Sa and tha varga, when it comes along with sha and cha varga, the adesha will be cha and cha varga respectively.
Okay. Example?
Example. Bhuman plus jayah, bhumanchayah. Bhumanchah.
Bhumam.
Bhuman plus jayah.
Bhumanjayah.
Bhumanchah, yeah. Bhumanjayah. This is from the homework that you had given last time.
Okay, okay. No, you said Chayah, Bhumanjayah.
Bhumanjayah, yeah.
Okay. Next person, Shtutva.
अहं प्रयत्न करोमि. सकार तथा तकार वर्ग सकार तथा त वर्गस्य अनन्तरं शकार तथा ट वर्ग आगच्छति. तत् समये सकारस्य शकार भवति और त वर्ग क्रमशः ट वर्गस्य वर्णानि गृह्णाति. फॉर एग्जांपल त थ द ध न स प्रथम पूर्व पदे स अस्ति, पर पदे श अस्ति, तो शकार भवति षट्कोण श. तदनुसार त थ द ध न अस्ति, परपदे ट ठ ड ढ ण भवति. ट ठ ड ढ ण आदेशं भवति, परिवर्तनं भवति. ट ठ ड ढ ण.
उत्तमं. Give me an example.
तत् प्लस टीका, टट्टिका.
Tattika.
कन्या षोडश, कन्यास प्लस षोडश.
Okay. And also one thing to remember, it need not be anantaram always, as you said. Sakarasya anantaram na. It can be even before also. Uttamam Bhagini. Next person. Chartva Sandhi. Next person.
Ma'am, is it Jashtva Sandhi?
Chartva. Jashtva is over. Chartva.
Okay.
You want to say?
Shall I say?
Yeah.
Jar is the result of sound formation, sound transformation. Jar, ja, da, da, ga, pa.
Where negative is taking place.
No.
There was no place for
Just a second. Ma'am.
Condition.
Condition. Purva Varnam ka ka gha gha cha cha jha jha paravarnasya karkasha vyanjanam आदेशा का च त त प अत्र केवलं पूर्ववर्णस्य स्थाने आदेशः भवति
केवलं का आदेशः भवति
that is पदान्ते स्थितेभ्यः च न्याम न्यान न एतान् वर्जयित्वा
Tell me in simple thing, what plus what will become what? That's all.
Yeah, when the first four letters of any varga at the end of a word are followed by karkasha vyanjana, they are replaced by the first letter of the corresponding varga.
Uttama. Yes. One example.
Yeah. Example. Sad plus kirtihi, sad kirtihi.
Uttam. Next. Parasavarna. Anyone else? Parasavarna. You can say in English, Kannada, whatever language. It will not be.
अनुस्वारः अनन्तरं वर्गीयव्यञ्जनानि क च ट त प वर्गाणि आदेशः भवति पञ्चम अक्षर ऑफ वर्ण. सो क वर्गस्य अङ्ग, च वर्गस्य ञ, ट वर्गस्य अण, त वर्गस्य न, प वर्गस्य म. परवर्णस्य पञ्चम अक्षरः. Example सम प्लस भव, संभव. कारण स उपरि अनुस्वार अस्ति, भव आगच्छति. सो प वर्गस्य सो स म भव, म भव के साथ ज्वाइन होता है. म हलंत भव अजंत.
Uttama. Bhagini, totally you can tell another rule which is there in Parasavarna.
totally tat plus laya. So to agachati para purva varne, anantaram la agachati. सो यदि वर्ण के बाद कभी भी ल आए तो द्वित्वम भवति. तो सतल्लय ल द्वित्वम भवति.
न अस्ति चेत्
न अस्ति चेत् चन्द्रबिन्दु और द्वित्वं द्वयोः भवति.
उत्तमं. नेक्स्ट पर्सन अनुनासिका.
Shall I tell Bhagini?
आं भगिनि, आं वदतु.
वर्गीय व्यञ्जनं प्लस अनुनासिकः will become तद्ग्रहस्य अनुनासिकः.
एक्साम्पल् उदाहरणं.
उदाहरण अम्बा प्लस मात्रा मात्रा.
अम्बा पुनः वदतु.
अम्ब प्लस मात्रा अम्बात्रा.
अम्ब प्लस मात्रा पपबबम. There will be and there is a ma there already, and pa changes to ma, and there is another ma.
Yeah.
Is there a word? Is there anything like that? Amb and matra?
You had given for this one, Bhagini, homework.
Amb and matra.
Yeah.
It is ab plus matra.
Amb plus matra.
Na, amb na.
Ab.
Okay. Ab plus matra.
There is a rule, Bhagini. One place it is mandatory. What is it? It is there in the textbook. That's why I'm asking. Pratyaya. If the pratyaya begins with the makara, if the anunasika is of a pratyaya, then it is mandatory.
Yes.
Chin
Supratyaya.
plus matram, chin matram. And the last one, anybody else? Namudagama?
Aham vadami va.
Uttamam Bagini, who Komala, right?
தமிழ்ல சொல்றேன் பகினி. தமிழ்ல சொல்லமா? ரஸ்வஸ்வரம். ரஸ்வஸ்வரம். அப்புறம் நா வரும். அதை தொடர்ந்து ஸ்வரம் வரும்போது அந்தந்த இடத்துலயே நா வந்து ரெட்டிப்பாகிறது.
I understand somehow. Yes, you are correct. Give me an answer. Give me an example, please.
பஷ்யன்னேவ. பஷ்யன் அதிகம் ஏவ.
உத்தமம்.
பஷ்யன்னேவ.
உத்தமம்.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
Okay, so far very good. We don't have to look at this chart. All of you know this. Now I've given an homework assignment, so let's start with that. Savita Bagini, krupaya ahvayatu Bagini.
Ma'am, Nalini Bagni, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. My name is Sudha. For the past last few classes, I could not attend and I could not know because there was a function in my house which I could not able to attend the class.
No
I did
problem.
not do the homework also. Please excuse me.
Sure.
Yeah.
Bagini, there is some technical issue, Bagini. So,
okay.
Shall I tell afterwards? Shall I tell?
Next.
Thank you.
Yes, madam. Shash plus anana. Shash. Takarasthane. Takara third 1 2 3 third. Shadanana bhavati. Tasva sandhi. Shutva sandhi bhavati.
Shutva bhavati va. First, shash plus
anana. Shash plus anana, shadanana. Shash plus anana, tadanana.
Shutva katham bhavati Bagini?
Shutva illa jasva sandhi mastu vadu.
And it will stop.
Anantaram shutva sandhi bharti.
न भगिनी अत्र तु पश्यतु अत्र स्वरः अस्ति खलु.
आमा ओके. शश आनन षडानन.
Then you stop there. No other sandhi.
Yes. Only just sandhi, madam.
Only just. You are right. But stop there. No shtutva and all. Uttama. Okay, next.
Sat patram.
No. Next person.
This is sad plus patram. Sat patram.
Sandhi namal.
This is the one where the first letter of the, I don't remember the name, first letter of that varga is replaced. I don't remember the name of the sandhi. Chartva.
Okay. Jashtva and chartva.
Bhuman plus Jayaha. This will be Bhuman Jayaha. Be Shutva Sandhi. Am I audible?
Yes. Am I audible?
Yeah. Bhuman plus Jayaha. Bhuman Jayaha. It is Shutva Sandhi.
Uttamam Mahoday. Next.
Brigat plus Damaruhu. Brigad. Actually, Jasva Sandhi. Damaruhu. Brigat plus Damarugu. Brigat plus Damarugu. Brigad Damaru. Davarnaga. Brigad Damaru.
Brugat. Ta. Which Varna will be Adesha? Repeat, Bhagini.
Brigat first Jasva Sandhi. Brigat
Then it
Damaru. Next one.
Bruhad. Bruhad Damaru. Okay.
Brigat Damaru. Next one, the Da will become Da. Brigat Damaru.
So there are 2 Das?
2 Da. Yes, right.
Uttamam. Okay. Next.
Bhagini, I'm just back from the dentist. I can't talk much. Sorry.
Ma'am, today my first class in for the Sandhi class, madam. Sorry. I will listen today, yeah.
No, it's okay.
Ma'am, shall I say? Mangayakar,
please. Please make it fast.
अहम उक्तवती परन्तु म्यूट अस्ति. जगल्लीयते परसवर्णसन्धि तोर्लि.
उत्तम. Next.
धन्यवादः भगिनी.
Shall I tell?
Pan plus ditah, panditah, parasavarna sandhi.
Uttam. Next.
Shall I tell? Alamelu.
Vadatu Bhagini.
Ab matra, anunasika sandhi. Adhika matra.
Matra. Uttamam. Next.
Asmin plus Udyani, Asmin Udyani. Namudagama Sandhi. Namudagama Sandhi, Bhagini.
Uttam.
Asmin plus Udyani. Na.
Okay. Asmin Udyane and Namudagama.
Na followed by na.
Uttam. Next.
Bhagini. Jagat plus Jyotihi. Jagat Jyotihi. It is Jashwa Sandhi.
Jashwa will make it Jagad. And then something else happens. No?
That I don't know, Bhagini.
See, Jagad.
Chitta Sandhi.
Yeah, Chutva.
Chutva.
Yeah. Please go through the slide, start learning. In another 2 months, you'll have exams. Next.
Okay.
Bachan plus Asti. It is Bachan Nasti. Namudagama Sandhi.
Uttama. Next.
Yes, I'm there. This is Shadangani. Shad plus Angani. D plus A. This is Jashwa Sandhi.
What plus A?
Shad plus Angani. D plus A. Then it gets converted to D plus A. So that is Jashwa Sandhi.
Okay. Okay. It is actually Shash plus A. Okay. This one changes to D.
Yeah.
Sha changes to D.
So, yeah, sure changes to ta and then the.
Okay. The shat plus angani ta also changes to ta.
Is it namudagama, ma'am?
No. This is
Shat plus angani.
Just twa. What is namudagama?
Okay. Preceded by.
It is only na, no? Last letter will be only na. It's not sure. Next.
It cannot be shat angani, Mahodaya.
It can be shat. Shat angani, as per your book for Shiksha, it can be shat. Next.
Gramat chalitah. So it becomes gramat chalitah chutva sandhi.
Uttamam. Next.
Vidyul lekha. This is Vidyut lekha. Parasavarna toli.
Uttamam. Next.
Yes, ma'am. Hasan mukaha, hasat plus mukaha, hasan mukaha, anunasika sandhi.
Uttamam. Next.
भगिनी भगवत् पादः भगवद् प्लस पादः
सन्ति नाम
da chain to first letter ta first that is chartva sandhi
uttamam. Next.
Madam,
I have one doubt.
Or mukha. Asat plus mukam or mukha.
Mukaha type here. Or you can change this to mukam. Whatever. Next.
Vag Devi. It's Vak plus Devi. Jashtva Sandhi.
Next.
Yes, ma'am. Ankitaha. Am plus Kitaha. Nityam in the Anunasika Sandhi.
Anunasika.
Yeah, sorry. Ankitaha. Parasavarna Sandhi.
Uttamam. Next.
Tiriam gaste.
Tirian naste. Tirian naste.
Tiriam aste.
No, why aste? There is a dirgha here.
No, I don't know actually.
So there's a dirgha here. So dirgha only you have to put. Only Tirian aste. What sandhi will it be?
Namudagamam.
Uttamam. So it is Tirian aste. Next.
Aste is a word, Mahodaya?
Aste is to sit.
Bhagini, idu dalas plus shat, dalas shat. Shakara.
Where do you get sir changing to sha? You did the vicheda properly. Where does the sir change to sha? Which sandhi? Vadatu.
Shtutva.
Okay. Please revise. Next.
Griham gaccha. Anunasika sandhi.
How?
Griham.
First split it, Bhagini. First split.
Griha. gacha, grihang gacha. Double ing will come there.
No. See, this gacha, gruha, there is one foreign letter which seems foreign is the nya. So something has changed to na. What is that? When it has become the fifth letter.
Yes.
So this griham gacha, anunasika has become the
griham gacha, become griham gacha. So
what's Sandhi?
Is it paras?
Go ahead, be confident.
Parasavarna Sandhi?
Whenever you see Anuswara changing to the Anuswara of that Varga, it is. Hey, this is Parasavarna. Sorry, there's a typo here.
I'm not able to see the screen actually.
Is it?
Yeah.
Everybody else also?
For others also.
Yes, we all can see. We all can see.
You can see.
Let's move on. We will move on to the next movie. Purva Savarna.
Just one doubt, Bhagini. In that grammar chalitaha, grammar plus chalitaha, it will be chatva sandhi, no? Or will it be chutva?
Which one?
It is a karkasha, no?
No. Takara facing chakara, tavarga facing chavarga. Okay.
This last is also like that.
Anuswara illa. It Parasavarna.
Parasavarna, yes.
Yeah.
Chatva is also the first four varna plus the karkasha, no?
Which one?
Chatva sandhi. That is anunasika vihaya vargiya vyanjanayani plus karkasha vyanjanam.
Yes.
So this comes like that, no? Gramat is a vargiya vyanjanam and cha is a karkasha vyanjanam.
Then what will it be, Bhagini? Gramat, okay, first Gramat Chalitaha, if it is Chartva, what will
Okay, it has to become Ta then. Okay, right.
It is already Ta, right?
Yeah.
Here it is Gramat Chalit, double Cha. And there is a typo here which I'll correct. This is Parasavarna.
Okay, thank you.
Sure. Purva Savarna. Pruchita Bhagini. You want to ask something, Bhagini?
No, sorry. No. Earlier, I had raised earlier. Sorry.
Fine. Okay, let's move on. Sutram asti. Anybody else raised? Savarna Bhagini. Okay.
Yeah. Sorry. It came again. Sorry.
Okay, Sutram asti. Jhayo Honyatarasyam. Haha Anyatarasyam. It is. So, Honyatarasyam. That is a sutra. So, these two words that are following, that is Purvasya and Savarnaha, is coming from the previous sutras. Some other previous sutra. Actually, this Savarnaha is coming from Parasavarna sutra and Purvasya is coming from some other sutra which is prior to this. So, the sutra is Jhayo Honyatarasyam Purvasya Savarnaha. Here, what is the explanation given is Jayaha Parasya Hasya Purva Savarno Va Syat. Is this an optional sandhi or mandatory?
Optional because Va is there.
How do you say?
Va Syat. Va is there. That is why.
Va Syat is perfect. But then Va is given in the explanation. In the sutra, there is no Va. Right? Okay, let's understand why it is how. Okay, Jhayaha is Jhai. Here it is the Panchami Vibhakti of the Jai. Jayaha is Panchami Vibhakti and Haha is there, that is the Shashti Vibhakti. So immediately you will ask, how do we know whether it is Panchami or Shashti? We will have to follow the explanation that is given either in the Bhashya or the whatever, Lagu Siddhanta Kaumudi or whatever, which says Hasya. So we put Hasya in the Shashti. So Hakara becomes the Sthani, Jayaha becomes the Panchami Vibhakti. So what is Panchami Vibhakti? We have studied one sutra before. What do we have in Panchami? Whatever has to come before, right? Purve kim bhavitavyam. What has to be in the front or before? So that will be jhai. What is jhai? All this. Jabhagadadha, fourth letter. Jabhagadada, third letter. Khafachatata, second letter. Chatatakapa, first letter. So varnanam 1, 2, 3, 4 varnaha. Pratamaha, Dvitiyaha, Tritiyaha, Chaturthaha varnaha. That means it's the same as Anunasika Vihaya Vargiya Vyanjanani. Right? This is jhai. Next, ha. Ha is here. Ho is ha and anyatarasyam. Ha is hakarasya shashti vibhakti. So ha is a sthani. Ha is going to get replaced when jhai is in front and ha is next to it. Ha will get replaced with what? With purva savarnaha. See, now we had studied Parasavarnaha. Here it is Purva Savarnaha. Why? Because see, Jai is in the front beginning. Ha is next to it. So Ha is getting replaced with the Purva Varnasya Savarnaha. That we will see what that would be. So what is Purvasya Savarnaha? That is Parapurva Savarnaha is 1, 1. So this is the one which will get Adeshaha. So this is the one which will replace. Now let's look at it just 1 minute later. So what will be replaced? I'll let you know. Anyatarasyam. Anyatarasyam is another way to say it is optional. Anyatarasyam means optional. Va means optional. Vibhasha also means optional. So if one of the these three words is given in the sutra, it means the sutra is optional. So here, though there is no va, we came to know it is optional because we know that we knew only about va. But please note that anyatarasyam also means that the sutra would be optional. Vikalpena bhavati. Even in the case of Samhita. Okay. So now, what we found? Anunasika Vihaya Vargiya Vyanjanani plus Ha equals something is going to replace Ha. What is it? I told you it is Purva Varnasya Savarna. Purva Varna is what? Jhai. That is Anunasika Vihaya Vargiya Vyanjana. Savarna of Hakara. Now how do we find out? Usually the Savarna, most of the time we went with the Sthani. In Parasavarna, it was the Anunasika itself. Therefore, we got the Anunasika of that Varga, fifth letter. Now, what has happened is the Savarna of Hakara is to be obtained. What is Hakara? It doesn't belong to any Varga, first of all. And then if you look at Hakara Sthani, it will just say Kantya, where only Kakagaganya is present. No other Varga. So I also told you that there are many other ways to compare, which many other attributes are compared while looking for a Savarna. So Hakaras, okay, what are they? Some nada, don't ask questions about this. This itself is too much for you. But then the attributes are Vivara. For example, one of the attribute is called Pahya Prayatnaha. In that, they have just given the attribute values of each. Ka, I'll take one varga, ka varga. Ka will have Vivaraha, Shwasaha, Aghoshaha, Alpa Pranaha. We knew it is Alpa Prana, but we were not aware of these three attributes, right? Vivaraha, Shwasaha, Aghoshaha, Alpa Pranaha. It's not just for Ka, it is the first letter of all the Vargas. Next, Ka. Ka we know as Mahaprana. See, the other three remains the same for Ka. Vivaraha, Shwasaha, Aghoshaha, Mahapranaha. Alpa Prana was Ka became Mahapranaha. Third letter, Samvaraha, Nadaha, Goshaha, Alpa Pranaha. See, all the three has now changed with Gakara. So when we just say Karkasha Vyanjana and Mridu Vyanjana, we will be wondering why only Ka is Karkasha. What is the difference between Ka and Ga? Why have they placed in Mridu Vyanjana in all that? So if you look at these things, it will get clearer. Though sorry. I mean, pronunciation wise, ka and ga seems the same. We will not be able to make out much difference, but these are the attribute value. If you look at it, there's a lot of difference. So gakara will have samvaraha, nadaha, ghoshaha, alpapranaha, and ghakara will have the same three with the mahaprana. Samvaraha, nadaha, ghoshaha, mahapranaha. Can anybody guess what the attribute value of hakara would be? No points for guessing though. Hakara, what will it be?
Must be whatever is there for the third letter. Samvara, Nadha, Ghosha.
No, it is the same as ever it is there for the fourth letter. Okay? Hakara has samvaraha, nadaha, ghoshaha, mahapranaha. That is why what is the savarna of hakara in jai will be varga chaturtaha. Understood? It is not randomly, they have not put anything. It's not that, okay, first for this sandhi we'll take third letter, for the next sandhi we'll take fourth letter. No, they have such logical explanation for everything. So hakara has the same attributes as that of the fourth letter of each varga. Therefore, Purva Savarnaha, Purva Varnasya Savarna of what? Hakara. What will it be? Varga Chaturtaha. So, in short, what is Purva Savarna Sandhi? Anunasika Vihaya Vargiya Vyanjanani plus Hakara equals Vargasya Chaturta Varnaha. Understood? The fourth letter will be the Adesha. It will replace the Hakara. Okay, Hakara is getting replaced in Purva Savarna. Understood till now?
So the last letter of the Purva Shabda will remain the same, Manya?
Yes, that will remain the same. Only her gets replaced. Okay, let's move on. So, yada Purva Varnaha Anunasika Vihaya Vargiya Vyanjanam Bhavati Tasya pare Hakaraha Bhavati Tarhi Hakaraha Purva Varnasya Vargasya Chaturta Varnena Parinamati. Hakara changes to the fourth letter of the Varga. Okay. Anunasika Vihaya Vargiya Vyanjanam plus Hakara will become Vargasya Chaturtha Varnaha. See, Ha is the one which is going out and Chaturtha Varna will come in. It is the second letter that is getting changed, not the first one. So,
excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
In the text, actually, they have given as when the third letter of any varga.
You will only figure out. Okay. You will only figure out. Okay.
Thank
now tell me, Bhagini, what could be the logical explanation of that? You know the answer. Anybody else? In the text, they have given third letter.
Ma'am, Jastva Sandhi directly goes.
Yeah.
Uttamam. See, Anunasika Vihaya Vargiya Vyanjanam plus Mrudu Vanjana will be Jastva, right? And what is Ha? Yeah. Ha is a Mrudu Vyanjana. So first Jastvam happens and only then you will have a chance to do Purva Savarna, right? Jashtvam would have happened and therefore you will have the third letter. But the broader Sutra classification would be this. But in textbook, the examples that they give obviously Jastva would have happened and that's why you get the third letter. Okay? Because Ha is a Mrudu Vyanjana, Jastva would have happened and then come to, it is in the processing belt, Jastva has finished and now it has come to Purva Savarna Sandhi. Purva Savarna is also optional, mind you, but then in Shiksha, it is compulsory, though you will have to do that Sandhi. Okay? Understood?
So once again, ma'am, so if the question is asked, we have to check whether Jastva Sandhi is happened and then only we have to go with the Purva.
Exam point of view, they would have given the Tritiya Akshara only beginning.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, but if they haven't given, we have to go to the third letter and then do the.
Yeah, no. First you do the Jashtva.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then if this Purva Savarna can happen, then do Purva Savarna also. Yeah. Okay. But to show it in 2 steps.
Astu. Dhanyavad.
Or if you want to show it in only one step, skip Jashtva but do Purva Savarna, because this is one specific case for Purva Savarna, Hakara, right? So if they have given an example with a Hakara, Jashtvam would have happened, but then you do Purva Savarna and then give the answer as Purva Savarna. Okay?
Mahoday, can you give one example before happening the Jastva and can you
I
show
will give
the...
you lots of examples. Hold on.
Okay.
Okay. I usually give after this slide. Yeah. This is not your first one.
Let me tell you. The first comes is Chatva, then third comes in Jastva, and now the fourth comes in Purva Savarna Sandhi. Is this so?
Yeah.
Dhanyavad.
There is also a fifth. So all of you, please, everybody has their own way of understanding things, right? So make your own table. Okay, whenever you're going and understanding a sandhi, like I don't know what form you will make. Some people will make it like a subset. How we write set Venn diagrams and all. If you want, you can make like that, or a simple table. Just please keep it ready so that you can have it as a ready reckoner at the time of your exam. That will really help. Anyway, coming back. So this is Vargiya Vihaya Vyanjanani and Parasavarne just Hakaram Asti. Then what happens? Hakara changes to the fourth letter of each varga. For Kavarga, Gha, Chavarga, Jha, Tavarga, Dha, Tavarga, Dha, Pavarga, Bha. So this is what is going to come in as Adesha. Let's pick up some examples. Anuna, we know the definition now. See, Vag plus Harihi. See, it's already just as happened. So usually they give such examples. Vag plus Harihi. What happened here? Ga is there, which fits here. Anunasika Vihaya Varkiya Vyanjanam. Harihi starts with Hakara. So Gakara, Anantaram Hakaram Asti. So Purva Savarna Sandhi Bhavitum Arhati. Therefore, what happens? Ga remains the same, but the Hakara changes to the fourth letter. So Ha has changed to Ga and it becomes Vag Gharihi. Vag Gharihi. But since it's an optional sandhi, it can still be Vagharihi. Okay, it need not be Vagharihi, it can be Vagharihi. This is just for your information. Don't write this as the sandhi in your exam. So it is Vagharihi. Okay, next Shad plus Hayaha. Shad, Dakara, Hakara. So Dakara remains the same, but the Hakara changes to the fourth letter of Tavarga. Why Tavarga? Da belongs to Tavarga. Tat Vargasya Chaturtaha Varnaha, which is that Dha. So Ha changes to Dha. So Shad Hayaha, Shad Dhayaha, Shadhayaha. See, first one is a small Da and then it is a Mahaprana Dha. Shadhayaha. Trishtub Hi. Trishtub Bakara, Hi Hakara. Ba changes to Papa Ba Bha. It changes to Bha. So it becomes Trishtubhi. Okay? Trishtubhi. Tad Hitam. Dakaramasti. Hakara. Da changes, Ha changes to Big Dha. Mahaprana Dha. The fourth letter of the Varga. So it becomes Tadhitam. These all had third letter. Right? Now, look at this. Ach halau. Ach halau chakaramasti hakara. So as soon as you see this, first the sandhi that comes to our mind is Jashtva, because chakara, anunasika vihaya vargiya vyanjanam plus mrudu vyanjana. So it changes to aj halam. Aj halau. Then there is a scope for another sandhi to happen. So this is not the end. Had it been the end, it would be just here Jashtva sandhi. But now that we know that there is a Purva Savarna sandhi also, which satisfies, whose conditions are satisfied, we will go ahead with that sandhi. So it becomes Aj halaha. Halau is the starting point now for Purva Savarna. Now see, Jakara is facing Ha. So Ha changes to Jha. So it becomes Ajhalau. Aj. Jakara is because of Jashtva. Big Jakara is because of Purva Savarna. Understood, Bhagini? You wanted one example? This is example.
I'm Bhagini.
Okay. There's one more for you. Dhavat harinaha. First one, Jashtva can take place. So it becomes Davad harinaha. Till now, until we studied Purva Savarna, we would stop here and say Jashtva Sandhi. Davad harinaha, Jashtva Sandhi. But then, if you notice, there was never given an example with Hakara till now. Okay. But why? Because there is a scope for another Sandhi to happen. Now we can't stop here. We will have to go ahead with Purva Savarna and make Hakara into fourth Varna, that is Dhakara, Davad Harinaha. Okay? Understood till now? Any doubts?
Bhagini.
Okay, then let's do the exercise. Yeah. Just could you please kindly give me 2 minutes? Can you please give me 2 minutes? I'll come back. I mean, when you want, you can go ahead and discuss on your own.
Ma'am.
Yeah, go ahead with any discussions or doubts that you may have. I'll just be back in 2 minutes.
Okay, Bhagini.
Who has to tell now? Yeah, we can be ready.
Kshamyatam, I had to pick up a parcel. Yeah. Savita Bhagini.
Bhagini. Vag plus harati, vag garati.
Well, tell me what is Adesha, Mahoday. I can't actually get the pronunciation right. So you tell me what is the Adesha.
Adesha ha becomes ga.
What ga?
Ig, vag. Vag, Purva g is there. Parasvara ha is there.
Yes.
So vag harati. Ha becomes ga. Vag garati.
Which ga? Third ga, fourth ga, which ga?
Fourth ga.
Mahaprana ga, vag harati. Uttamam Mahodaya. Next.
Bhagini. Abba plus havihi, abbavihi. That is Mahaprana ba. Abba plus havihi, abbavihi. Mahaprana ba.
Okay, uttam. Abhavihi. Next. Mute. Mute. Next. Okay. Vadato Mahodaya.
Samrad plus hasati. Hakara changes to dhakara. Samrad dhasati.
Uttama. Next.
Fourth letter, Hakar is replaced by fourth letter, K, K, G, G. So, Vak, Ghinah.
Another change.
Here.
Wait. Another change, Bhagini. Will it be Vak, Ghinah?
G, K, K, G, Jastva. Prathamam Jastva.
So usually in your exam, probably they will not give you vag. They would have given you vag, but still, in case they give you, okay, you should be able to do that. Yeah. First it will be Jashtva. Yeah. Uttama. Next.
Ma'am, one question.
Sad.
Prachata Bhagini, question. Who is that? Bhagini, who wanted to ask the question? Prachatu.
Shiksha Bhagini.
Sad yog hetuhu. Her changes to the. Sadhetuhu.
Sadhi.
Sadhetuhu.
Sadhetuhu. Nothing else changes. Only her changes. The ekara and all will remain the same. It can't be sadhitu. Sadhetu. Next.
Bhagini, what is the meaning of sadhetuhu?
Hetuhu is what? Reason, right? Karana.
So good reason.
Okay. Next.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾರಣ
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾರಣ. Next.
Sambani. Jagat adhikam hitaya. It வந்து நாவா மாறு ஜெகன்ஹிதாய. Jaganhitaya.
Bhagini, we are studying which Sandhi?
Purva Savarna Sandhi.
Jaganna.
Jaganhitaya.
No, Bhagini. Anybody else?
Jagadhitaya.
Bhagini, where are you, Bhagini? Bhagini. Anuna. The where? Why are you changing third to na? Here, takarasya pare hakara asti. So, hakara changes. We are studying Purva Savarna. Hakara changes to what? Fourth letter of this varga. What is the fourth letter?
The dhanna.
Wait, Bhagini.
Sorry. Shamidam.
No. Take your time, but don't. Tell. What is the fourth letter?
Dha.
So hakara changes to dha. So this Jashtva would have happened. Yes, Jashtva would have happened. Changes to the first, and then this ha changes to big dha. So finally it will be like this. Jagadhitaya. Okay. So usually one clue that you can look out for is, see, third and fourth letter will be together. Then if they give like this, Vagharati, then Prayaha, this will be Purva Savarna. Why I say Prayaha? There will be other conditions where it is not always Bere Yavdadu Sandhilu, it could be like this, third and fourth coming together. But most of the time, probably try to solve it with Purva Savarna first. Okay, whenever you see third and fourth.
Shamida.
No, Shamyata. It's okay. Next. But
No, Bhagini. No, Bhagini.
Asmad plus hitaya. Asmad hitaya. Savarga of the followed by Savarga, fourth letter of Savarga. Asmad hitaya.
Asmadhitaya. Her changes to big dha. So Asmadhitaya, Asmadhitaya. Okay. Next. Uttama Bhagini.
Shad. So her will change to Ka. So it's Shadak.
How will change
Shadanga.
to what, Bhagini?
How will change to Ka.
Where are you getting ka from?
Sorry. Fourth letter.
Fourth letter of?
Ka varga.
Why ka?
Because it's da, no?
Da belongs to which varga?
Wait. Cha varga.
Cha, ja, nya. No, da is not there. Next.
No. Ta varga. Ta, da,
So you have to take tavarga now because da belongs to tavarga. Tavargasya chaturtha.
Dha. So Shadang Maryani. Sorry.
See, shed is there. Ha changes to big dha. So say shed dharm. This is a
Shandharmani.
Why na? Shad.
Sorry.
Dharmani. This is a shed. There ha has changed to dha. So dharmani. Shad dharmani. Uttam. Okay. Revise it.
ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
Mani, there should be dirgha there. It should be harmyani.
Harmyani. I think this is a building.
Harmyani plural will be with a dirgha, Mani.
With a dirgha? Maybe. I'll just check.
It's Dharmyani in the book.
Is it?
Vanani.
Harmyani, is it? Yeah.
Harmyani.
Okay, I'll change it. Next.
आम भगिनी बृहद हर्यम्यः में ह changes to महाप्राणा.
What did you say? Say that again.
बृहद हर्म्यः. मयः. So the h changes harmyah. H changes to mahaprana dha. So brahad mahaprana dha. So brahad mahyah.
Bruhad dharmya. See, it is bruhad as it is. Ha changed to dha, though dharmya.
Mahaprana dha. Yes.
Bruhad dharmya.
Bruhad dharmya.
Okay.
Mahodaya, what is the meaning of harmya?
Building. No. See, harma. This is harmyan. Sorry, is building. It is an apumsakalinga. Harmyani is shet. 6 buildings. Okay. Here it is bruhad harmyaha. So if you are wondering, then I think it is a samastapada here. The one who has a big building. Okay.
Dhanyawad.
Namaste Bhagini. Gachat plus hasyam. Gachad dhasyam. First we have to change to Jashtva ma'am. Gachad plus hasyam. And then gacha the below mahaprana dha. Gachad hasyam.
Bahut.
Gachad dhasyam.
Bahut. Next.
Namaste Bhagini. Shadharaha. Shat plus haraha.
First it is a shat or shad.
Shat.
Ta.
First ta. Tadam Bhagini.
See, correct. Yeah. You can write both. Okay. One more. Here when they have given, usually look for third and fourth letter which are together and try changing the fourth letter to hakara and see if it makes sense. Then you can finalize it to be Purva Savarna Sandhi. See here Shadharaha, third and fourth are together. Try changing dhakara to ha, it becomes haraha. So Shadharaha. I mean, this is one way to work out when you are when you have to do the vicheda. Okay. Yeah. Uttamam Bhagini. Next.
Yes, madam. Brihat plus Harini. Harinihi.
So Bruhat or Bruhat. Yeah, both you can, right?
First it should be ta, then they will change it to the, then it will come Brihat Harini. So what we should write? We should write the first one, no, Brihat plus Harini.
Yeah, right is Bruhat Harini because in your text, what they have given is it starts with the third letter, alva. The explanation or the definition that they've given for some Bhagini told, no, in the text it is third letter plus Hakara.
Okay.
So please write it as Bruhat only. Okay?
Okay, thank you, madam.
And if you really want to write Bruhat, then write it as two-step process. Next.
Bhagini. Bragdasitva.
No, Praghasitva. Pragha.
Prag plus Hitva.
No. See, Hitva kaha. You have to change the fourth letter to Ha. Where is the fourth letter here? And before that, there is a third letter. So good. If that is the case, try changing the fourth letter to Ha. What will it be?
Prague plus Hasitva.
That's all. That's the answer. Okay. Prague plus Hasitva. Change the fourth letter to Ha. Okay, because Ha is the one which is changing to fourth letter, right? So if you want to break it up, change this fourth letter to Ha and check before making the decision.
No.
Madam, people will be waiting.
Madam, excuse me. In the question it is Harinihi. In the answer it is Harinaha.
Okay, they are all typos, Bhagini. I'll change it.
Okay.
Yeah. When you are keying in English.
Brajat Hiranyam. Jashwa Sandhi, it may be Brajat changing to Brajat.
Yeah.
Hiranyam.
It is better you just write it as Brajat itself because they have given it as third letter. Okay. Okay, next.
Meaning plus meaning, ma'am. Please, meaning, ma'am.
Huh?
Meaning, please, ma'am.
Brajat is shining. Hiranyam is what? You tell. Gold. Gold. Shining.
The previous one, ma'am, Prag Hasitva. Hasitva is smiling.
Prag is what?
Prag is Purva. I mean, that's Purva Kala. Is it so?
Yeah.
East.
So the meaning is once smiling. Is it so?
Don't look for meaning. Sometimes they give just words like just to make.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Having laughed before or something like that.
Yes, ma'am. Ab hrasah. Ab plus hrasah.
Yes. Ab hrasah. Next.
Bhavad.
Go on. Change the fourth letter to Ha.
Bhavad plus Hatarakshakaha.
There is, what is there here? Bhavadhi. There is
Bhavadhi. Bhavadhi
No. Hakara you change. Yeah, you go ahead, Bhagini. Dakara you change to her and see what happens. Hakana, Ikara will go with Ha.
Hitarakshakaha. Sorry.
So just try to see whether it makes sense.
Yeah.
Hatarakshakaha.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, but I was not able to.
Yeah, that is why this ikara, when you say bhavat, how can you put it with ikara here? You have
Sorry,
to join
sorry.
it.
Yeah.
Don't be sorry, please. You are learning.
Yeah, no. I was thinking Hatarakshaka, there is no word, but I am not able to.
That is how, yeah.
Thank you. Okay.
Next.
Ab plus haraha.
कृपया पुनः वदतु भगिनी.
Ab plus haraha.
हाँ. Ab plus haraha. Next.
It will be
Madam,
Madhulit.
here Bhavat and up. Third letter is not coming, no?
I told you, right? Sometimes you can get it like this also. Okay, in that case, Jashtva happens and becomes Bhavad. Here, Ab. Okay, Bhagini?
So we can write like this also.
Yes, you can write like this also, but you will have to name it Purva Savarna. Or you can, I think, right from first class I've been telling you. See, give the final Sandhi name, or if you have time and you wish to, write in 2 steps giving both the names properly. Okay, but if you want to do this, give the final Sandhi name. Don't write here Jashtva and keep white. You have to write Purva Savarna. Okay? Or if you want to say Jashtva and Purva Savarna, as long as your this thing is conveyed properly, that you know that Jashtva has happened, that you know that Purva Savarna has happened, the way you write, it
ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದಾ?
ನೀವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಭವದ್ ಹಿತರಕ್ಷಕಃ ಅನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪೂರ್ವ ಸವರ್ಣ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಭವದ್ ಹಿತರಕ್ಷಕಃ ಪೂರ್ವ ಸವರ್ಣ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆನಾ?
ಅದೇ
ಬಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು, ಸೇಫೆಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತೆ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಂತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಬೆಟರ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಫ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಭವದ್ ಹಿತರಕ್ಷಕಃ ಇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಓಕೆ? If you write Bhavat Hitarakshakaha, write as 2 steps, Jashtva and then this. Okay? Next.
Madhulidhasati.
Madhulid plus hasati.
Madhulid.
Why 2 people are answering?
Vaidehi, I am.
Okay. So
Madhulid.
Okay.
Madhulid plus hasati.
Okay. Here also you can say Madhulit or Madhulid. Okay. If you want to stick to the textbook and be very, very safe, write Madhulid hasati. Okay?
Okay.
Next.
Yes. So it is Jagad's Dhetuhu plus Dhetuhu.
Yeah, Jagad Hetuhu or Jagat Hetu.
Or Jagat Hetu.
Yeah. Next.
Vid hasati. Vid plus hasati.
Yeah, Vid plus hasati. Uttamam. Okay. Just revise again and you will understand it. So let's move on to
Mahodaya. In the PDF, that is when we were doing Parasavarna Sandhi, we had to split Buddhihi.
Yeah.
Right. So that time we had split that Buddhihi to the Jashva Sandhi. That is Buddha plus Mahaprana, Buddha and Dhihi. So if in the exam if Buddhihi is given, I may write Buddha plus Hihi. I mean,
no, actually that is why it is actually Buddha plus Dihi. That is inside a word. Okay. It is while the forming of the Buddhi word that Sandhi is happening. So it has to be Buddha Dhatu and Dihi Pratyaya only. You can't make it a Hi. Okay.
Acha, it will not come with the. And then same thing with the Shuddha also. Shuddha plus Dha.
Yeah, Shuddha plus Dihi only.
No, it is Shuddha plus Dha. So it will not come, it on Dha only will come.
No, because it is apadante, that is inside a word. It's not that the pada madhye, while the thing is happening, we have to stick to those prakriti and pratyaya only.
Acha, acha. Okay. That is why that tad he, it becomes tad, not the he, but tad he.
Actually, one more thing, Bhagini, buddhi, shuddhi and all, it is not from textbook. Okay, first of all. So you will never get such things in the exam. That is what I gave you, and it is one deviation. If you go deeper into the grammar, it is one deviation of Jashtva Sandhi itself. So I just wanted to introduce you to such fourth letter Jashtva also happening. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Bhagini.
Yeah. So let's go to Subhashita.
Mani, I have two doubts. Can I ask, please?
Sure. Yeah.
From these words that are used but not directly related to the Sandhi, in the explanation of the Sandhi, you use the word parinamate. The parinamate, pari is upasarga, but it comes probably from namati. Namati is parasmai pada. So does it change when we add that? In this case, it becomes atmanepadi.
You learn
parinamate.
Some upasargas, when you join it, it changes, right? To
okay, so parinamate will be an atmanepadi.
Yes.
Okay, then in this case, bhrajat hiranyam. Bhrajate is atmanepadi. So what form of that becomes bhrajat? Normally, at least my understanding
Bhrajate is atmanepadi. This is some example that I took from somewhere. Bhrajat, I have not looked into whether it is. Is it upayapadi by any chance? This is Brajat Shatru only. We said Brajat is Shatru. That is what is shining. But I have not checked, Mahodaya. I have not checked. I have not gone deeper into each words. This is one example that was given. I don't know where I took it from the text or some other document.
Braj is showing only as Atmanepadi. That is why I got the doubt to ask.
Okay. Maybe, it is not making sense here. Maybe sometimes, lot of websites, they just for the sake of making Sandhis, they would have given lot of, maybe it is, I have not checked this now there, no. Okay, anything else?
Then,
Bhagini, samshayam. What about Bhagavad Gita? Will it come under this?
Bhagavad Gita. Where is ha?
That's Jashtva, no?
Yeah, it just stops at Jashtva. Bhagavad Gita.
Dhanyawad.
Okay. Let's go to Subhashita. This is the 13th Subhashita from. This is a chapter that we had to do, right?
Bhagini, one more doubt, can I ask?
Sure. You want the slide?
No, that last class, we had done Dugha Dhamma. So that also we had Sanjotya, that Sandhi will come Dugha Dhamma only. It is not Hama.
Dugdham. No, it is not her. Whenever I have given it as that, don't change it to her. That's why I told you, just because there is a third and fourth together, it doesn't. That's why I told you prayaha in the beginning. Okay, there are chances where you have the third and fourth every way. That's why I kept telling you, change it to her and see if it makes sense. And then dugdham and all, it is one word. So don't try to change anything there.
Okay, Bhagini. Thank you.
Okay. Satyam tapo gnanam ahimsatam cha vidvat pranamam cha sushīlatam cha etani yo dharayate sa vidvan na tatra shastrathyayanam hi karanam. So this is also some on similar lines.
Slide hasn't changed, ma'am.
Slide is not changed.
Please share the screen, no? Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Which lesson, ma'am? I was absent for all these days.
1 second. You are not seeing it, the slide?
No.
Okay. I'll just try again.